Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Max Films. This is Maitrik Patel and itinerary for today is खुद ही देख लो.
Hey you, can I learn your flavor? It's brand new. Now it's in the papers, all I seem to see. Must be something underneath. Take two, I'm still trying to figure out what makes you hard on the call. I guess it comes from your heart, cause when your head's right, you take your time. There's something about the love of things you like. Fire when the strobe hits you. Bet you're looking for something new. I feel the hate with you staring up across the room. I dare you play your cards, boy, you bet I'm a trendsetter too.
That's it, Brian? Yes.
Bet you're looking for something new. Staring up across the room. Bet I'm a trendsetter too. Bulletproof, on another level, ahead of the crew. Select never settles, it only gets better the more you see. Powerful and free, confidence is key. So watch me figure it out. It's all about what you bring to the crowd, where your reference is loud. They're calling me over, set your fire on me, like what I see you getting closer. Hey, trendsetter, see your fire when the strobe hits you. I didn't see who you came with. Bet you're looking for something new. I feel the hate with you staring up across the room. I dare you play your cards, boy, you bet I'm a trendsetter too. I feel the hate, fire when the strobe hits you. Bet you're looking for something new.
Okay, so place is Tilkeshwar Mahadev Mandir, which is situated nearly about 80 to 90 kilometers from Udaipur towards Mount Abu. And yeah, this is the place. It is very pretty. You can see one waterfall coming here. Here it is. And which falls down towards the temple where the actual temple is situated, which is down there. So whenever you come here, also try to be careful because there are some langurs over there. They usually attack human beings. So be extra careful. Suhari? 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 ये बंदा सबसे कम आता है ग्रुप में और ये हार्दिक जोशी
और ये कुछ बोलता नहीं है।
अरे दीपक प्रजापति और सबसे बड़ा खून जो तू है अभिषेक चौबीसा
आया ही नहीं
और जयेश भाई
आया ही नहीं।
क्या नहीं आया ये रहा
1 लीटर आज 1 लीटर खून किया।
हैरी इतना खुश मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा था।
अच्छा है,
हाँ
सही है। ले पानी बोलो नहीं।
Also reason why this place is a little bit risky is I'll show you this. ओके अगर यहाँ से गिरे तो सीधा ऊपर जाओगे तो भी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल। So the place is very beautiful, right? So let's get down. From there we have to go.
Bright lights, I can't really see right. Cold eyes to hide what it feels like. They take from me what I need from you. Fast steps to find my way back to your love. We're due for a comeback. I get from them what I give to you. Please take me back to a dream where miles away, a place is never seen. Show me the wonders above, 'cause I don't need your favor, just your love. Please take me back to, please take me back to, please take me back to where my heart was on fire. Back to, just take me back to, just take me back to where my heart was on fire. Wake up, I don't really feel right. Can't seem to hide what it feels like. This time it's hard to hold on to your love with all of these flashbacks. Please take me back to a dream where miles away, a place is never seen. Show me the wonders above, 'cause I don't need your favor, just your love. Please take me back to, please take me back to, please take me back to where my heart was on fire. Back to, just take me back to, just take me back to where my heart was on fire.
taste. You only seek what you give away. You'll only speak what you want.
Okay, so finally we are down after about 20 to 25 minutes trekking. And these are my guys, and that is the temple there. And that is the waterfall. It's so good.
Starlight raining over me, like drifting through a memory. Wake up in your crystal sky. We're floating just to feel alive. Starlight raining over me, like drifting through a memory. Wake up in your crystal sky. Float until we fly.
So signing off. This is Max Films. बहुत पसीना हो गया है और हर हर महादेव। Can you hear the echo?
No!